Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be having dinner at home. Mark is gonna be cooking up a couple of steaks that we just got at one of our favorite meat markets. And then we also picked up some ingredients for you to make
vodka gibson.
Vodka gibson. Yeah. So we're gonna be making a pre-dinner cocktail. So we're gonna start on the vodka gibsons.
We had our glasses chilling in the fridge.
Oh, and we have the vodka. Don't mind everything else in there.
Ooh.
So we're only using vodka, cocktail onions, and then vermouth. What are the ratios?
It's more vodka than vermouth.
What do you need first?
Let's do vodka first. Okay, we're making two glasses.
It's cold.
Ooh,
Yeah.
super cold.
There you go.
Oh, okay. One.
How many do you guys think he's gonna put in here? 3. Okay, I was gonna get nervous. Fourth one. You have like a mischievous look on your face. All right, how about you explain what vermouth is? Kind of smells like something you would cook with.
Oh, you can, yes. It's like a cooking wine. You don't need a lot of vermouth, maybe this much for both of us.
Does it taste bad, like by itself?
Well, we got extra dry. What makes it dirty?
The way you're gonna shake the shaker later.
What makes it dirty? Add some of the brine juice.
Oh.
Let's do extra dirty. Okay.
Okay, now it's extra dirty.
I am wearing. Ooh, that is cold.
Is it cold?
Yeah.
Now I totally could see you in another life where you were a bartender.
You think so?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. How dirty is it?
It could be dirtier, but maybe on our second cocktail we could do this. You taste the pearl onion, Brian.
Oh my god. Woo! I
it,
love how you said you can taste it. It's like, no, it's there.
You want it less dirty?
Oh, this is so dirty. And you know I like it dirty, but this is like, I don't actually even taste the vodka. That's dangerous.
Right? Here, let's pretend this is a real pre-dinner cocktail. Let's hang out in our little lounge area.
Okay. Oh, he was in the hallway staring. I don't know if you could see. Got our little Christmas tree up. And we're gonna sit here. You guys remember this part of our house? Hello, Sir Mark.
Lady James, how you doing?
Very well.
Hi, Sir Haiti. Pre-dinner cocktail's empty, so I guess it's dinner time.
Oh my gosh, I spilled some vodka on my shorts, but I'm sure Mark will get to it later.
I'm gonna just make another glass for myself. I'm not gonna resort to that. Desperation. James wanted the ribeye, I wanted the New York strip. We got what we like. We bought this at Trader Joe's. I was curious about it. I don't know, I've never had this before.
Yeah, we need some kind of starch. It's funny because like when Mark was like, what sides do you want? He's like Brussels sprouts or broccoli, and I'm like, what about like a potato? Like that, my brain goes to like starch first. I need a starch with my steak. So.
I have some broccolini that already is already pre-washed, but then I trimmed it. Yes. We have our bread. And James wanted some roasted garlic. Do you want soup? Because I was thinking when we go to a steakhouse, we sometimes get either salad or soup. Mushroom soup.
I mean, I'm down. I'm down.
Just love this design. Look. So as soon as you open up the cap, boop.
It's good to be. Oh yeah.
So simple.
Super simple. Yeah.
You want to kind of wrap it up.
I've been using this thing on hash browns like every day. You take oh, it's not what I imagined. Mark, why is New York strip your preferred cut steak?
More tender than a sirloin, even though it's not as tender as a ribeye. Usually New York strip has this strip of fat evenly on one side of the steak, so each bite you take, you have the right amount of fat with it.
Yeah, and I like getting ribeye steak for kind of the opposite reason. There's just fat everywhere. My mouth is watering right now. It's just like seeing Mark take it out of.
Oh, it looks beautiful, right?
Yeah, look at that. Let's get this corn pudding in the oven. In the fridge, girl? I'm gonna cut you off. Yeah, let's put it in the fridge. Oh yeah, there's supposed to be a rack in there. 20 to 22 minutes. Yeah.
20 minutes?
Let's just do 20 to be on the safe side, and then we can always start. Girl, you did 20 hours.
Oh, shoot.
Let me take over. You just turned off the oven.
Girl? I don't
better.
know what you were doing either.
Well, it's better than doing it for 20 hours. Don't fight me. You want to fight?
For only.
That is very simple. What's your shirt all about? It looks like little chopsticks or those little clothespins. Oh, yes. Tell me if in the chat if you guys just get some kind of sensation watching butter melt, or is it just me? How do you know when to flip it? Feeling?
No, kind of do maybe like 3 or 4 minutes per side.
Mark is making a
dirty martini.
Oh, what? In a bowl? No, he's making an ice water bath for, I'm assuming, the broccolini, not the steak, right?
Yeah.
And that's just to help keep it crisp and firm after you blanch it. Move that butter. Oh! Ow! Okay. Ow! Just for you guys! I have a very low tolerance of pain, and it just like splattered at me. I knew that was gonna happen.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm just traumatic. What's it? Green beans? You do that with too, right? This reminds me of Japan when we went into like the hot pool, and then we had to go to the cold pool.
Yeah.
Okay, there. I got the extender out. I'm like basically in the living room right now. Oh my god, look at that sear you got. Oh. Gorgeous. Gorgeous.
It's one of my favorite parts.
Listen to that. Oh, I just stepped on Haru almost. Haru's like, what are you doing? I know, you want steak, I'm sure of it, Sit. You wait, we'll give you a little piece later, okay? Oh, we almost forgot to toast the bread. So, this is for like everything that we need to just toast or heat up. Maybe just 3 would be enough, huh?
Okay.
How heavy is that cast iron? It looks heavy.
It's really heavy.
Ooh. Ooh, there's room on the cutting board. Still looks the same. What wine are we having?
So tonight we're gonna have some alado
Alado
from
Portugal.
Portugal.
Interesting. It's so easy the
So
way you
easy.
make it.
Right?
Yeah. Now what are you expecting to see inside? This is like a cooking show.
Pink inside.
Pink inside? Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
Would you like some pepper with your soup?
yes. So we actually, even though we film a lot of our videos here, back in the day we used to sit at the dining table, but because my office is there now,
We're using our
here.
island, yeah.
Oh, it's very mushroom flavored.
Do you need a bread plate? Yeah.
I don't even know if we had those. Bread plate. The banchan plates?
I was like, we don't have bread plates.
Bread plate. I was like really curious. I was like, because sometimes you'll say something and we actually haven't. I'm like, oh, this feels like it just came out of a cheesecake factory oven.
It's warm inside.
Look at, guys, look at even how he
Plated.
does like extra. I love it. I'm not hating on
The
it.
details
Wait, but this is the
count.
bread plate. You use butter for it.
The butter
Instant
is
melt.
room temperature and the bread is nice and toasted. It melts
Right away.
instantly.
Oh.
And again, buy this bread when you see it at the market.
Yeah. I feel like I'm at a steakhouse. The only thing that's missing is it needs to be like. Are all steakhouses like really dark? Touch it with your hands. You are buzzed.
I was gonna grab.
It's
gloves.
even like super oily too, baby.
I was gonna grab gloves, but
Wanna just do mine while you're at it?
no. Oh my gosh.
Right? And you guys saw how he made that. It was super simple.
Super simple, yeah. Bread this, yeah.
Maybe on the bread too later.
On the bread. Oh.
On each other. No?
Yeah.
Oh, you said yes. That means you're drinking. Drink more. There's still a crunch. Oh my god. Eat the broccolini. It tastes like steak broccolini. Right? Oh yeah, the cook on my steak is perfect. It's a good medium rare here. Look. You were worried about it, but it came out perfect.
Like, we cook steak a lot, so we should be so confident, but every single time I still get nervous.
Oh my god. Is that one bite?
No, I should cut it.
Oh, okay.
I just got lazy, but I should cut it.
That garlic, yeah.
I would pay money for this.
But the corn pudding, I was expecting like more breading, but it's actually almost like a cream corn lasagna.